We have taken all of the documentation that we have for Medtrics on how to use the platform and created a bot. I called it Neo, which is our dog's name, but everybody at the company calls it Toshbot, that allows our institutional users to have a conversation with it, talking to it like a human. You can throw scenarios at it and it'll take Medtrics training content and give you answers.
Hi, everyone. So if you watched that last webinar, you saw that Tosh unveiled a great new tool for Medtrics customers, which is called Neo. Neo is a way that we have created course curriculum that you can actually learn specific different pieces of the modules and learn how to use them, but also do some guided learning with quizzes at the end so you can figure out, okay, do I really understand how this particular module operates? Right now you can see I'm inside the main homepage for Neo, which by the way, you can access at neo.medtricslab.com. You won't be able to sign up for an account right there. If you're really interested in getting involved with Neo, and we really encourage you to, what you want to do is you want to reach out to the Medtrics team at hello@medtricslab.com. Let's take a look at what's inside Neo because I think you're really going to like it. When you get to Neo, what you're going to see right here is we've got this academy right here. And you'll see that there is a dashboard. In fact, this is my own personal dashboard right here. But if I was an admin, I can also go into analytics right here. And you can see, by the way, these are all the people who work for Medtrics. They're in the process of going through these modules, testing them out for ourselves. And we can also see that we can search by name or learning paths. We can see who's completed everything. But if you're a program admin, we've got a way for you to put your users in there and just see, okay, these are all the users that I have in here and how exactly are they doing? And we can take a look at our friend Elson right here. And Elson, we can see which of these modules that he's completed. So first and foremost, there's a good dashboard if you're a program admin and you want to see exactly what people are completing. But what will they be completing? Well, let's take a look at the course content. If we go in here, you can see all the courses that Medtrics has rolled out at this time, and we will continue to add more and more courses as more modules get updated and as new features become available. But they go from advancements to announcements, benefits, calendar, etc. We've got a course set up for every one of the modules that's inside Medtrics. And when we look at this here, we can also see that right now you're viewing all the segments in here, but over time you'll see personas here. You might have people that need to see certain modules but not the others. You'll be able to actually customize the journey path as you like to. Let's take a look at what one of these modules looks like. You can see right now that I have not started the benefits module, so let's do so. If I click start right here, you're going to see that on the left is the curriculum for everything that's happening inside the benefits module. And so, of course, at the beginning, we're going to tell you, well, this is exactly who the benefits module is for. At its core, the benefits module was designed for one primary purpose, to track time off. And then as we go through here, you can see this is how it's applied to GME, or you can see how it applies to UME. Obviously, if you're a new Medtrics user, you want to understand exactly how to do that. So we teach you how to set up your categories, the foundation of setting up the benefits module. We tell you how you can create custom categories. You're going to see as you go through here, you're getting textual information, but you're also seeing screenshots from right inside the platform so that you know exactly how you're doing. Now, this all sounds pretty familiar to you because it's a lot of the same content that's over on the knowledge base. But here's what's really unique about this. As I get to the end of each of these modules, you can see right here, I can check my understanding. And these are all multiple choice questions. So why is the benefits module considered especially critical for GME residency and fellowship programs? And you can take a look at whichever one of these is, and then the learners have the ability to come in and say, because residents are employees and their time must be tracked for HR and reporting purposes. I bet you that's the one I'm going for. And I click that one and I submit that answer, and you can see correct, well done. And so you'll see for each of these modules, we've got a variety of questions to answer and a variety of sections. You can also see that, by the way, that you can set these modules up so that users have so much time to take the modules. And we've also, for each of these modules, told you approximately how much time we think you should allow for each. So that's exactly what you'll find inside Neo. And again, by the way, we talked about the knowledge base. Well, the knowledge base at Medtrics is a service that we provide to our customers that we feel is extremely valuable. So guess what? You'll find that the knowledge base has also been linked up in here as well. So as we move forward, we expect that people will perhaps stop using the knowledge base and instead start using Neo. Why? Because all the great information from the knowledge base is also inside Neo, but now you've got the ability to see those different courses that are in there and also track the progress and how well your users are actually learning about those modules that exist. One final note, you'll see something in here called learning paths as well. When you saw the courses that were available, quite frankly, they were all just ranked in alphabetical order, which is fine. But as a program admin, you may want to have people go through different learning paths, learning about different modules first before you go on. Create some sequential learning, right? Because that's how learning happens. Well, you can do all that inside Neo as well. So that's what Neo looks like. We are super excited to roll this package out. And again, it's available right now for all Medtrics customers. We think this is going to be a big part of our training that we continue with in 2026. And we would love to get you and your team inside Neo. To do so, reach out to any of the Medtrics team members at hello@medtricslab.com.